So for the quantimeter, another thing we can do is also we can do a test weigh. So here in the ear of wheat menu, go in there to the quantimeter, press enter again, and we go across to the test weigh. In here we need to go into the status, turn it on. Before we turn it on, we must start with an empty grain tank. So turn it on, and here we then measure the grain to a full tank. So once we have a full tank, that must then all go over a weigh bridge. So unload that into a trailer, go over a weigh bridge. When we've done that, we actually turn it off. And now what we must do is we now go down to the crop size. In here, we now add in however much it was. So let's say it was 3 tons worth of grain. Once we press enter, the calibration factor will also change, and now this test weigh is done. That's all we need to do for that. So don't forget, empty grain tank, turn it on. Once that grain tank's full, turn it off. All of that grain must go over the weigh bridge, then set in the value that you've actually weighed. And then also, to keep it all nice and sweet, what we do as well, every now and then, certainly every season, we must do a learning the quantimeter. All we need to do with everything running is just press OK, and that'll learn the zero of the quantimeter itself.